Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 813672. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of the computer, for your case you selected the NZXT Guardian Blue. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a look inside and show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 550LC liquid cooling unit. That is cooling an Intel Core i5 3570K processor. For RAM, you selected 32 GB of 1600 MHz, and that is being cooled by a Blue Kingston HyperX memory cooler. For your graphics card, you selected the Geforce GTX Titan, which is the top-of-the-line graphics card. For lighting, you selected the NZXT hue system, which can change to any color you prefer. That has been installed all around the rim of the case. You also selected the Advanced Pro wiring, which is the green individually sleeved cables you see in the case. And for extra fans, you selected 3 Cooler Master SiCaFlows with green LEDs. They've been installed on your radiator and on the top of the case for maximum airflow. For your sound card, you selected the ASUS Xonar Essence STX 7.1. And this has all been installed in an ASUS Maximus 5 Formula motherboard. Powering your whole system is a Corsair AX1200 1200 watt power supply. And for storage, you selected 2 Western Digital Caviar Black 2TB 7200 RPM hard drives, and both are being cooled by aluminum hard drive coolers. On your side panel, you have 2 USB 2.0 ports, eSATA, and your headphone and mic jack. Taking a look at the front of the computer, you have your power button and reset button, your temperature monitor. If you open up this door panel, you have your Blu-ray reader, your all-in-one card reader. Below that we have the control panel for your NZXT hue lighting system. It's fairly simple to use. You're going to add or take away a color by turning the red, green, or blue lever. And then by pressing on these buttons you can control the brightness of the system, turning it off or on by pressing the middle button, and the mode, which dictates the blinking or the pattern of which it blinks. Take a look at the back of the computer. Starting from the top, you have your Thunderbolt, your wireless antennas. Your computer is going to come with a little antenna. You basically just screw that on here, and it's a little white piece that's magnetic, and you can put it anywhere on the computer that gets you the best signal. Below that, we have your Republic of Gamers Connect switch, clear CMOS, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, DisplayPort, HDMI, optical out, 2 more USB 3.0 ports, PS2, and your audio jacks. And below that we have the ports for your graphics card. You have 2 DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Now when plugging in your monitor, please do not use the ports on your motherboard. They have been disabled. You're going to want to use the ports on your graphics card. And at the very bottom we have the ports for your sound card. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. Going into File Explorer, you will see your 2 2TB 7200 RPM hard drives. Going into System Properties, your Intel Core i5 3570K processor with 32 GB of RAM on Windows 7 Ultimate, and in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX Titan, and your ASUS Xonar Essence STX audio device. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Heaven. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes just to show that your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.